Namaste students, Khusro Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the business organization. In this subject, our second topic is what is business as a system. Define business as a system. So, let's start about business as a system. System and process are the essential building block of our companies. Every phase of your business, on the shop floor, in the warehouse or in the office, is part of a system that can be managed or improved by applying correct principles. A business system is designed to connect all of an organization intricate parts and interrelated steps to work together for the achievement of the business strategy. When we apply defined principles and practices to the system and process that deliver value to our customer, we are creating what is often referred to as a business system. So, system and process are the essential building blocks of our companies. Every phase of your business, on the shop floor, in the warehouse or in the office, is part of a system that can be managed or improved by applying correct principles. A business system is designed to connect all an organization intricate parts and interrelated steps to work together for the achievement of the business strategy. When we apply defined principles and practices to the system and process that deliver value to our customer, we are creating what is often referred to as business system. Creating effective business system often unifies the problem solving and decision making of the organization. Common tools and methodologies are universally taught and expected to be utilized by all levels. Several key management structures such as a full-time performance, excellence office or systematic maturity assessment are made a permanent part of the infrastructure. The business system also encompasses how we lead our people and connect them to the operational strategy. So, why implement a business system? There are several reasons to implement a business system. First one is improving top line performance. Part of the business system is the development and implementation of strategy creation, business process and strategy planning throughout your organization. Those fundamental elements lead to a much more insightful way to investigate and grow top line revenue. In short, a business system takes care of your future. It ensures that you meet your customers' expectation and improve your brand, which are key to growing a healthy issue. If you have used a systematic approach, your organization will have constant information on areas that need to improve, and you will begin to understand the unmet need of customer. And second is meeting customer expectation. If you use a systematic approach, your organization will analyze, measure, compare and test all the possibilities of what your customer want and don't want. You will have constant information on areas they need to be improved, and even more importantly, you will begin to understand the unmet needs of customer. A business system is a key to improving the brand that the organization projects to your community, including customers, employees and suppliers. And next is consistent result. Whether we are considering safety, quality, or getting the job done in a timely manner, a business system is designed to give you effective, efficient, and repeatable results. In short, the business system gives you a process to fix your process. Next is employee engagement. The goal of the system is to enable proper education and opportunities to all employees so they can complete their work more efficiently and effectively. We also seek to enhance their ideas and creativity, and in the process increase their personal engagement. Additionally, having system in place allows you to quickly integrate new hires and makes it easy for them to see their role within the organization and bring forth new ideas. These are the next is reduce cost and increase profit. It has been proven time and again that the implementation of a sound business system help reduce cost, but so will many things. A business system is intended to reduce cost without taking the shortcuts that often lead to an erosion of profitability due to the necessity to lower quality expectation or service level. These are the learning method group system of performance excellence. First one is strategy, process, people and technology. Method group, we use performance excellence among overthink as part of our approach to creating a business system, taking a holistic approach that involves the whole organization. All of the pieces must come together and paint a picture that is clear to each and every employee who views it. Our system of performance excellence comprises 4 parts. First one is strategy, process, people and technology. Strategy is the way of organization think and plan. Process, the way of organization operations. People, the way the organization lead. Technology, the way the organization connect. Without a business system, organization often experience silo at thinking. Each department might perform well on its own, but customers don't see the result of each individual department. Instead, they see the result of the whole. A business system focuses on alignment of all activities to the customer perspective, from the strategy to employees' day-to-day work, and install value chain based thinking. The power of a business system. When implementing a business system based on performance excellence, there are at least 8 major changes that we want the organization to see quickly. First one is value stream based. Instead of assigning resources to projects based on financial priority, which means they can be spread all over, we assign resources to a specific site or value stream to work a serious project. This creates focus, achieving significant transformation in that value stream and allowing the local leadership them to become comfortable using new tools to solve problems. With this approach, we build up Iceland of excellence much faster. Such a value stream approach also allows for a more systematic project selection process. Project selection, such a value stream approach also allowed for more systematic project selection process. We don't want to be agile selecting project, but rather working on innovative design to drive toward the achievement of the strategic goal and objective of the business. Next is move to local. Nearly all improvement teams and events should be connected at the local site. No more conference room. This get more point of action. Team members involved and experience the process firsthand. Next is pinpoint focus. Improvement opportunity such as Kaizen event should be scoped with a small enough focus to allow for actual process improvement to be made during the run week. 30, 60 and 90-day plans are good for creating a long-term view, but we want to see immediate result, both to the bottom line and in the lives of the employee doing the job. Next is drum beat of success. Process improvement should take place in the same value stream on a consistent monthly basis until we have effected the required amount of improvement and have trained the local team. The drumbeat of success is of vital importance both from a culture standpoint and a sustainment point of view. Replication. By installing a replication process, organization can take improvement implemented in one location and duplicated that to all of other effective locations. This allows the whole organization to see results much faster. Next is development dashboard. A development dashboard summarizes all results to date and inform the leadership team of expected progress. This dashboard should be communicated on a regular basis. Results have to measure and share to sustain success. Next is daily maintain. Through daily maintain system in each value stream be put in place depending on needs. A tiered meeting structure, visual management board and leadership standard work. Daily management is the backbone of sustainability and is often where the most significant improvement opportunity are surfaced. In addition to these quick high-hitting change listed also above, we also expect to see over a long period these other changes to occur. First one is accountability, capability, trust and employment. Strategic creation. As part of strategic creation, we explore market and technology. Train the highlights opportunity for growth and identify customers inside using qualitative and quantitative research. Senior leaders learn to become better strategic thinkers and gain a more systematic process for strategic creation. Next is strategic planning. With the implementation of the Horizon planning process for strategic planning, there are complete alignment of your organization to the future vision. Next is systematic innovation. Another part of the business systematic framework is creating a scalable and sustainable innovation ecosystem. In order to create competitive advantage, the organization learns to address innovation challenge quickly, build a pipeline of innovation opportunities, apply method and tools for both front-end innovation and back-end design. Next is culture change. Along the way, the organization starts to see a shift in culture. While some change will happen naturally, other change must be guideline to affect positive culture change. The cycle of accountability and trust guidance us in forming a various cycle. With all those changes taken together, you can see how a business system provides a framework or a constant pursuit of improvement and innovation. At the end of the day, when you have all these things in place, a sound business system gives the organization leader confidence in their ability to create the future. In this session, important question asked in the examination: what is a business system and why do you need one? It is the most important question for examination. What is a business system and why do you need one? Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, any question, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.